This is a scene generated using artificial intelligence tools. And this is the same idea built from a mix of real footage, CGI, compositing, and artificial intelligence.
Break the line!
In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to use AI in your videos, short films, or movies without losing creativity or identity. My name is Baudilio Perez and I work with cinematic compositing and hybrid VFX workflows. The first, using AI to add isolated, controlled effects. If your story is action-based, you need explosions, impacts, destruction, the kind of effects that are difficult to achieve with traditional VFX. But instead of building everything in full complex simulations, you can design your shoot and your edit so that those specific moments are generated with AI. For example, in this video, which is mostly built from real footage and CGI, I needed certain shots where soldiers get hit by the dragon. For example, here you can see this dragon in the background charging at the soldiers, and right after that comes the AI enhanced image. The shot looks very convincing because I created the effect on Runway from the recording I made on location. And in DaVinci Resolve, shortly after, I also used layers of dust and sand that unify that shot with the rest of the scene. Of course, I used the composite parameter to achieve this. So instead of overcomplicating the VFX, I used AI to generate those specific impact moments. So the key idea is this: you are using AI only in parts of the scenes where visual consistency of individual characters is not crucial for continuity. So in this case, the soldiers are wearing armor. So individual identity is not that important. So that means it works perfectly, and you can complete your scene without losing creative control, because the foundation is still your raw footage. So let's move to the second way. Use AI to duplicate or generate repetitive and random elements. For example, in this video, some scenes needed more soldiers. Could I have done it with CGI? Yes, but that requires more models, more animations, and more time. And CGI soldiers are not infinite. So even with animations, you still need multiple variations to avoid visible repetition. So instead, I used AI to expand the crowd, increasing the number of soldiers in certain shots, while preserving the same lighting and location of the scene. In Runway, you have 2 options. You can create a video from scratch using your prompts and sound images as a reference, or you can improve your footage you have already recorded by adding the elements you want, as you can see in these examples. So this is extremely useful for building a scale quickly without breaking the visual consistency. By the way, if you want to see how I made this dragon video mixing CGI, AI, and real footage in DaVinci Resolve, you can check this another video right here. So let's go to the third way. Use AI to create detailed shots and alternate angles. For example, in this project I needed additional perspectives of the dragon. I wanted the scene to feel more organic, and I wanted to take advantage of the motion patterns from the AI dataset and blend them with the main dragon asset. So I asked the AI to generate extended sequences of the dragon interacting with soldiers. And as you can see, the dragon results are not perfect. In fact, some of them look almost ridiculous, but they contain interesting textures and motion ideas. So what I did was extract those elements, reframe them, and repurpose them into close-up shots. So here in DaVinci, what I did was use the zoom and positioning tool to find a point in the video where it's not noticeable that the dragon is like a cartoon. Then I just took its silhouette and then I put that shot within the action sequence so that it matches what is happening. And now the scene has new detail angles that didn't exist before. So if you're trying to make AI generate your entire video from scratch, even using your own reference, the result will often resemble what many other people are producing nowadays. And that is inevitable at this stage of AI development. So instead, you can apply these 3 strategies to use AI without losing originality. And of course, if you want to learn how to combine all of this inside DaVinci Resolve, including including compositing, editing workflows, and how to write prompts so AI becomes a creative tool, you can find the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And let me know in the comments how you're using AI to avoid losing originality and creative identity. I see you next time.